going to read from an article today on everybody's favourite Russian news channel, RT.com, because I happen to know that this information is accurate today. So, British government removes 1.3 million COVID-19 tests from official England figures due to alleged double counting. I didn't even think these people could count, let alone double count. It goes on to say the British government has once again revised down figures relating to the coronavirus crisis, this time removing some 1.3 million coronavirus tests from official data, citing apparent double counting. In a virus update issued on Wednesday, the UK government not only lowered the test made available figure, but discontinued the metric altogether, adding further confusion to an already questionable testing system. It marks the latest in a long line of high-profile and embarrassing gaffes throughout the country's coronavirus response. An adjustment of 1,308,071 has been made to the historic data for the test made available metric. What does that even mean? The report reads, highlighting instances of double counting of test kits issued between May the 14th and August the 12th. The problem was first acknowledged on July the 6th, but incorrect data was only removed on August the 12th and comes in parallel to recent downward revisions of COVID-19 death tolls recorded in England and Wales. They're going to start apologising and saying, oh, we got it wrong, there was a data, and they just implemented all of these measures, and now they're telling you that they got it wrong, and you're still going to go and vote for them, aren't you? I'll continue. The 1.3 million figure covers in-person tests conducted outside of hospitals. Outside of hospitals through commercial companies, including but not limited to swab tests performed in care homes, and self-administered home test kits sent via mail. Shadow Health Minister Justin Madders described the UK's testing data as shambolic, adding that Wednesday's move was the latest in a long line of chaotic failings by the government on testing. They really are the most useless and corrupt government I've ever seen, said video game designer Mike Daly. Video game designer, honestly, this journalist is just priceless. Others questioned whether the UK had ever had a more dangerously incompetent government in its history. It was put there to do this. People like Bojo were put there to do this to you. I'm not going to read what Piers Morgan says because the bloke's a C-U-N-T. David Schneider, don't know who he is, don't care. Oh, here we go. Meanwhile, Secretary of State for Health and Social Care Matt Hancock, what a prick, has yet to comment on the latest revision of coronavirus test figures. The damning news comes amid additional reports of no confidence amongst NHS trust leaders in the UK government's testing strategy. Just 1 in 5 of England's most senior public health officials have faith in government, according to a recent survey by NHS providers, which represents hospital, mental health, community and ambulance services. And as a final close, did you know that flu and pneumonia have killed more people than CV-19 in England for 7 weeks in a row now? And they always did. It was never a pandemic. But you're still going to wear your muzzles. Half of you are still going to be scared. You're still going to get rid of your paper cash. You're still going to wash your shopping as it arrives on your front doorstep. Just a joke. That island is a joke. Cheers, everyone.